It's Wednesday, May 5th, 2010. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Welcome to freetradingvideos.com. This is D7. And the markets take it on the chin again. The Dow down 0.6%, 0.7% on the S&P, and a full 0.9% on the NASDAQ, with the Russells leading the drop at more than 1.5 or 1.6%. Volatility index up yet again. Wish I held my VIX calls one more day. We are at 25 on the fear indicator. Looking here at the S&P daily, we started off the markets bullish right out of the gates, as I expected to see. However, the market's come crashing down. The trend indicator, the banks that we look at for market internals, everything started pointing down early in the trading session. We come dropping down, found some support at the 50-day moving average, but then we broke below it. At one point, we went down quite a bit. We saw a low here at 1158. Almost at 1160, or just past this 1160 area. So that was very volatile. That made for a very volatile trading session. Normally we don't have shadows this large, but this can be seen as what's called a morning star. We do not have an open window. We actually have overlapping shadows right here. So this would be kind of a morning star type reversal pattern. The only problem is I don't like these long shadows. Some other people may call this a spinning top type formation, but anyway you look at it, we do have a reversal point or a reversal candlestick formation. The thing that I want us to pay attention to is this support level coming across at 1166. This area that it's sitting right now, this 1165, 1166 area, could be some nice support. We see it resistance here, we see support here, support there, and we're finding support again. The problem is we broke down below the 50-day moving average. We continue to drop right here on the MACD. I mean, look at this big drop that we're seeing. The other thing that I'm looking at here is the weekly. Check out this weekly. The weekly, we come up. Look at the pullback. We got down below this 1180 area, but we're finding support right here at this trend line on a weekly. That should act as some sort of support. So I'm expecting to see even a short-term bounce pretty soon here. But I'll tell you, if the fear keeps creeping in and we continue down, this huge support line comes in right here at 1157 area. That should be huge support. If we crack down through that, we are in deep trouble in the markets, because the last time we saw 2 down days in a row, it's been a while, this significant on this much volume. I mean, this one had huge volume, but we bounced after it. This one, huge volume, but we bounced right after it. This one, big volume, we bounced. This one dropped on huge volume, and we continued to drop. So we're starting to see some big time damage out there in the sentiment in the market. And seeing the VIX at 25, it just seems like yesterday we were at 16 on the VIX, and to see it at 25 already really starts to tell the tale. And crude oil dropped below $80 to boot. So at this time, if you're in longs, get stop losses on them. Give them maybe a little bit of breathing room on a stop loss, and hopefully we'll get some upside run here. However, if we start breaking down, we go below these support areas, I'm going to be looking to go short in this market, because on the big picture back here on the weekly, if we break that, it could get ugly and fast. So let's see what the market has in store for us, but this is a very crucial time to be watching these markets like a hawk. Do not miss Matador's pre-market and intraday. Do not miss any videos in the post-market with myself. You want to stay abreast to the very latest that's taking place there. Take care and very safe trading to each and every one of you.